Some interesting facts. 1956 – The term artificial intelligence is coined at the Dartmouth Conference. 1997 – IBM's Deep Blue computer defeats world chess champion Garry Kasparov in a 6-game match. 2011 – IBM's Watson computer wins the game show Jeopardy, beating 2 human champions. 2012 – Google's DeepMind creates a neural network that learns to recognize objects and images better than humans. 2014 – Facebook creates an AI system that can recognize faces with 97.35% accuracy. 2016 – Google's DeepMind creates AlphaGo, an AI system that beats the world champion at the ancient Chinese game of Go. 2017 – Waymo, Google's self-driving car project, launches a fully autonomous ride-hailing service in Phoenix, Arizona. 2018 – Google Duplex, an AI-powered virtual assistant, can make phone calls and bow.